me tell you the story about how I got these fun little accessories. So when FireBabe first went to mechanic, my son and I built this little road over here so we could get her up, in, and under the house. Basically, just give her a little home inside our home. Cool. So it was going to be my third ride on FireBabe. I was going to take it to KSI after the engine swap. There was just one or two little things we had to tweak. And then after that, we we're going to head out for a friend's birthday party. So I was with my son. I felt all big boy, you know. I was going to roll the bike back down the hill instead of turning her around and driving her straight down. I was going to roll it back. Cool. Got on the bike, started edging backwards. And then right about there, like as she tips over, I lost my footing. Bike started leaning, I started falling, and then plap on the ground. My son, being the champ that he is, went to go run and call his mom. And thankfully, with the help of my jacked wife, I managed to pick the bike up on the hill and basically walk her down. And yeah, that's how I broke the rear view mirror or side mirror and ended up getting some more scuffs on the engine casing. So yeah, in the moment, I was just super disappointed in myself for being so silly. And I felt like I disappointed everybody that had been with me on the journey so far. So yeah, I definitely choked up and had a couple of little tears in the eyeballs. But we can fix things. It's never that deep. Yeah, that's the story of how I got those fun little accessories. Cheers.